Okay, if it's speaker fix, if the net is out, I'm using this tool and I'll just pry it and stretch it. It's difficult with one hand. Just if you see it like this, without opening the door, I can squeeze this thing in. So I need both hands basically, but if you do it like this, it works. See, it's going in. That's a quick fix. See this? There you go. That's it. Nice and easy. Quick fix. Don't look too bad now. So instead of opening the door panel and gluing the net in again, I've been doing this and it works out pretty well. Alright.